Good morning, class. I want to introduce new teacher for you for behavior and personality development. His name is Lawan Awal Ambuzu. You are welcome. And I want you to give him a maximum cooperation as usual. You can call him Mr. India. Malawal, Bismillah.
Okay, good morning, class. Now, first of all, my name is Lawal Awal Rambuzu, but you can call me Laz Rambuzu. As the director told you that you can equally call me Mr. India. There is something very important attached to that name, but when the time comes, I shall tell you. You are very lucky to be in this class. The school management hired me to train you on personality development and human behavior. Being a member of this class is very important to you. We are going to learn much about human behavior. Okay, my potential class captain. I think it is time for you to introduce yourself to the class.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Aisha Mohammed. I'm here to improve on my personality, skills, and behavior. Because I don't know if there's anything wrong with me. I've had tutors like twice and the marriage didn't work out. So I want to use this avenue to check on myself. Thank you.
My future class captain. Okay, nice to have you in my class.
Good morning, class. My name is Salim Muhammad Bashir. I'm an entrepreneur and I'm married with a kid, and my hobbies is playing football. Thank you.
Are you sure you are a footballer? Your legs. Okay, Hadia, you should be next.
My name is Haja Hadiza Dankani. My late husband is a world businessman, Alhaji Abubakar Dankani.
Are you sure you are widow of Alhaji Dankani?
I'm very sure.
Never seen a widow of. Oh, sorry, that's personal. I think you should be next, Malam Megilas.
So, good morning, class. My name is Ibrahim Sani.
Daga ina?
Daga unguwar Dandinshe. I don't have marriage, but ina da ‘ya'ya da Allah ya azurta da su guda biyu.
Ta ina? Oh, so personal. Malam, you should be next. Come and tell us about yourself.
My name is Ali Musa. I'm from Zurot. I'm here to improve my personality. Sannan ban taɓa yin aure ba. I'm single. Wannan shi ne.
Single as a single. Next, discuss.
I am Muhammad Ustaz, engineer, footballer, football gold medal.
Duk kai gane?
Wallahi.
A ina ka ciyo medal?
National football competition.
Ya mun taba ganin ka a TV ba.
Wuya nake yi. Ina da mata uku amma ba ni da ɗa. So har yanzu dai ina neman ɗa, maybe ko zan daɗa ta kuɗin. So this is me.
Ka ce kai juya. Are you part of us?
Yes.
Mr. Latecomer, you don't respect time. Anyway, if you are truly part of us, come and tell us about yourself.
Sir, nini ajin human behavior?
Well, Hajia, who gave you permission to sit? You are coming to our class and you are eating? Ke kaɗai ce kike jin yunwa? Ba ke kaɗai ce ba ki karya ba. Walk out, please.
Yeah, please.
To boy, hide it. If I see it, I will. If I see it again, I will seize it.
Okay, sir.
Ajiya mai glass. You don't have respect for time either. Just like her. Anyway, if you are truly part of us, come and introduce yourself. If you want to come man gilashin ki dole kin yi anko da.
Sannu. Wai ni mai adai da so. Sai mun iska shi wallahi Allah zan kama shi wallahi Allah sai na wulakanta shi ni ba yar iska ba.
Excuse me, madam. Excuse me. Please, this is classroom. Excuse me. Hajia, I'm talking to you. Are you part of us?
Na sini makaranta ne na so ai. Na ga ma gini bikini na so. Hey!
Please introduce yourself in the class.
Sunana Hafsat Saleh. And at any moment, my friends can come and take me from here.
Layin markaɗe kenan. I think ina ga saura a cici ko? Come and tell us your story. Maybe your personality need to be developed because it's underdeveloped.
Sunana Munira Usman. Kuma I am a divorcee. Kwanan nan na bar gidan miji. Sannan kuma I am self-employed. That means I'm a businesswoman. Ina sayar da gwalagwalai, takalma, jaka, kuma ina sayarwa a bashi. Yan wani mata idan kuna bukata za ku iya zuwa zan ba ku zuwa ƙarshen wata za ku ban kuɗin. Sannan kuma kun san mazajen nan na yanzu. We can't rely on them. We need to hustle to get something for ourselves. Thank you.
Amma, are you sure you are selling gold?
Yes, ma'am, I'm selling gold.
Kuma naga kina shan soɓo ɗan ɗuri.
This is natural drink.
Anyway, you are either a gold seller or a gold digger. I don't believe it. Ina masifaffiya. Come and tell us about your story. Talk to them.
Okay. Sunanka Momi Shirif sunanka. Yaya bai taba yi aure ba, amma yara na shi uku ba miji. Hey.
It seems like I'm beginning to lose confidence in this class. And I am beginning to agree that duk inda mata suka taru matsala za ta. Anyway, I'll handle you since I'm here to teach you about human behavior and personality development. So, duk wani wanda yake da tambaya akan kyakkyawan zamantakewa yadda ake gina kyakkyawar ɗabi'a sai ya tambaya. Today is just an open class.
Malam kace duka mata iri ɗaya, mu ba duka mu ne iri ɗaya ba, dole ne akwai bambanci.
I can see you are not part of our problem, but you are. You fought when you entered this class. Da kika shigo gida, kika fara buɗe rikici a ajin nan.
What have I done?
You fought wancan mai gilashin.
Ya zo yana ƙoƙari ya ture ni in zauna. Kuma ga seats da yawa, kuma da ya zo kaga abin da ya taka ni ya wuce. Don ma ban kula sa ba.
Excuse me, student.
This is classroom. Kuma already karatu muke.
I know. I am Mr. Sobo with minerals.
Don't worry, idan aka yi tara, during break, you can sell it to them.
Ina Mr. India. Ni ma zan yi bayani na ne ko taran saboda in tara din ta yi zan losing din customer. Ka fahimta? Amma Mr. India yake ne. I can have it.
Okay, you have 5 minutes.
No, 1 minute. Ma zan yi baka ka dan daure ce can ka ci gaba da kashi ci gaba da. Please student. My name is Dan Mama. Kowa ganin ka san so. Idan ba ki da kuɗi ko ba ka da kuɗi, if you have no money, come I will give you loan. Kai yanzu. Wani sani ole kila shi ne bashi. I will give you. Kan na dan bere bere ta mana ba ta.
30 seconds.
Yawwa zai yi da ta cikin insha Allah. Inda mai bukata bashi ma zan iya bada. So kaman dai an zuba din mu. Ke mai baki ciki ce an saba shan lemu a gida wai. Ya wata waje na aike da ma kusto. A haka da ni. Ke ai rugula ce wallahi. Time off.
Ya shi ma wai da mutunci. Ya mama, ya shi ma wai da maji. Yawa.
Some people don't have respect for teaching and learning. When Andres Yazo yana so ya bata mana jami'a. I'll send you out of my class. Okay. As we were saying, yau ranar gabatarwa ce. Kuma as the class started, it is free class. Everybody say free class! Free class! Free class! Haka zan biyo mu kuma haka ba sai ku sa ni na ya.
Sir, why are you calling Mr. India? Me yasa ake ce ma Mr. India?
You know my name, and it is very important that I tell you something about me. I'm a father of one. I was once a married person.
Sorry sir. Ga tissue. Kusa miƙa mishi tissue.
For all my life, since when I was a kid, mafarkina da wuce India. I watched hundreds of Indian films. I even started learning Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Kashmiri, and yet, look at me here. I'm supposed to be in India right now teaching Indians Hindi language. It's a very long story, but I will be telling you bit by bit. Before I die, I must marry an Indian lady. I must marry an Indian lady. Just take it down. So, I have another commitment elsewhere. Na so in zo da wuri, shi yasa na zo da wuri na gabatar da aji. So, I am telling you this for your own goodness. From now on, I will not tolerate late coming anymore. Never again. Please be punctual and come to class on time. So, meet you now. Where is that soap? You hold on, bring it.
An sace min wayata, malam an sace min wayata.
Waya kuma?
Wayata.
A nan gurin? Malam ba ta waya ce. Ni fa ba dau mata waya.
Kaga sanda na dauka miki waya ne?
Dai kai fito mini waya.
To gashi. Wannan ce waya ki? Gashi ta ce a dauka mata waya. In za ta duba ta duba.
Ba wannan ce waya take ba?
Ba ita ba ce ba. Let's look around now. Maybe the phone is somewhere. Let's look around. Please check.
Someone should call.
Let's check. It must be.
Whose phone is that?
Me ka waya ta nan gurin? Ya za ki ce baki gane bacin ga waya a gurin kin ji ana cewa ana neman waya kuma za ki ce baki.
Sai da wayan ki bayan ka tawa.
To ke aka kika zira hannu kika ko kuma ta waya.
Ba ma san da waya a nan ba. Ina taka dana.
Next time ki dinga kula ki san waye ajiye wayan nan Allah.
And you are here accusing the class that someone has stolen your phone.
Next time, sure.
I'm disappointed in you. I'm disappointed. This class is headed. Wallah, this class is headed. Please come and see. I want you to meet me outside. Ya kace min sunan ka ma?
Aliko.
Okay, Aliko, whatsoever they call you. Please, I want you to do me one favor.
Yes, sir, I'm listening.
This girl that we came to the class together with.
Okay, you mean Aisha?
Whatever you call her, I have an interest in her.
Interest, sir?
Yes, sir. Not connected.
Yes, sir. What do you want me to help you to help her?
I want you to irin ka zama min tsani.
Okay, sir. Okay, ba matsala, insha Allah. Zan yi kokari in gani. Allah ya.
Allah ma albarka.
Sir, thank you.
Ka san this our school and that our particular class.
Yes.
Is very problematic.
Yes.
But by helping me, I'm going to make you enjoy the class better than almost all of them, including her. You are going to be the second most important person in the class after her.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Allah ma albarka. So you can take one of this.
Okay, sir.
Kai zo kun aka baka abu mai arha ake dauka. Why will you take the most expensive and leave the cheapest one?
Sir, you didn't give me option.
I gave you option, but next time if somebody wants to give you something, take the cheap one and leave the expensive one. Haka ake zaman duniya. Allah ma albarka.
Where are you? I've been waiting for you for the past 15 minutes. You asked me to wait for you. I'm tired. Everybody has gone home. I'm the only one in school. What's this now? You went to a barbing salon. Why? So you're the only one that I have to look good. See, I'll give you just 5 minutes. I won't wait for you more than 5 minutes. Honestly. Yes, I'll wait for you, but I won't wait long, please. I'm tired. Fine. You better hurry up.
Okay, I didn't zoro come out here.
Why would I be scared now? See, you kept me waiting.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I just went to the barber's shop so that you look good for you.
Oh, you look good.
Okay, how far now?
I'm good. How are you?
So you're right.
Yeah. About what you told me the last time, are you serious?
Why would I ask me whether I'm serious? Why would I play with your heart? You know that I'm not that kind of people. I'm very serious.
If you're serious,
I'm very sure.
So you're in love with me?
Yes.
No, no problem. I'll tell my parents.
Okay, tell them.
So how was the lecture today?
Interesting. Let us proceed now.
Okay, let's go home. Yes, I've been waiting for you now.
Okay, let us proceed.